10 Facts about Kat Dennings. 10. Born in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania, on June 13, 1986, Kat's real name is Catherine Victoria Litwalk. 9. Kat was homeschooled by her speech therapist mother, Ellen, and molecular pharmacologist professor father, Gerald, and she finished high school at the age of 14. 8. Kat wasn't allowed to watch TV as a child, but she did watch old movie musicals, where Bernadette Peters and Madeline Kahn became two of her favorite actresses. 7. Early in her career, casting agents told Kat she needed to get her teeth fixed, dye her hair, lose weight, and get a tan, because she was just too pale for any role. 6. Sex and the City co-creator Michael Patrick King remembered Kat when she was a 14-year-old guest star on the HBO show, and had her in mind when he was developing the character Max for Two Broke Girls. 5. Kat Dennings was once considered to play Harley Quinn, but the role went to Margot Robbie. 4. When Two Broke Girls ended, Kat thought about quitting acting, and considered going back to college for a real job. 3. Kat and her dollface co-star, Matthew Gray Gubble, actually dated in real life, in 2007. 2. Kat and party hard singer Andrew W.K. have been engaged since May 2021. 1. After Thor: The Dark World, Kat's character, Darcy Lewis, was not seen in any Marvel films or TV shows for 8 years. Until 2021, when Darcy Lewis reappeared on Wandavision, with Kat saying, "It was very wild, really incredible, and unexpected." Like and subscribe.